everybody, this is my backyard. Since my backyard doesn't have like a back fence, I am just walking down to my neighbor's house right here. So that fence that you saw, we don't really have a wooden one. We don't have any fence. This is beautiful, right? And look at that. There's a mini forest there. What can be more beautiful? Look at it. Look at these. Look at this. There's a little tree there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But look at this view. Look at that. It's beautiful. So back there, there's a street all the way up there. We have tons of animals. We have like turtles, snakes, crocodiles, alligators. We have dragonflies, butterflies. We also have some bees since we have a little bit of flowers. But we have a lake, so that's why we have alligators and crocodiles, water snakes, and all of those. Water animals. Oh, and turtles. And tortoise. We also have tortoise. Oh, look, there's a dragonfly right in front of me. Oh, it's pretty far. Oh, look at that. There's one there. You guys can see it. Oh, oh, that's a main one. So right now, I'm just walking over here, back the other side of my neighbors. At my house, I'm walking by. There's something behind. So right now, I'm just passing by here. What is that? Oh my God, look at all those cars. What is going on? So I figured out what all of those cars back there were. That's a parade. Let's go, guys. Hurry up before it leaves. So, right now we're going, come on, see, we're about to pass our neighbor's neighbor. We're going into our neighbor's house, and we're going past it. I'm going to the parade. So right there, there's a parade. So I have to go back too far. So that's a parade celebrating someone. I don't know exactly who. Anyway, I don't want to get too close to the lake. So, bye.